I'm from the area which was mainly white, probably about 10 years ago, 15 years ago. Now it's mainly populated by a lot of Pakistani, Asian community, as I should say. I have got friends who have been looked at differently after the Manchester attack. For example, a friend who had a backpack, he walked into a shop, Tesco, and he had racial slurs at him because he was wearing a backpack. It wasn't nice. Innocent people died where they shouldn't have died. And the person himself, he's took life of others, as well as taking himself. If you're looking at religion, there's no such thing to say that we do this. If it was something that was true, then every Muslim would say it, right? But it's not. The Libyan community knew him well. For example, this is we remember him praying. He never looked like a guy who would do it. He looked like a normal guy, kept himself to himself. Why did he do it? But he's not here anymore, so how do you ask him that question? That's the hardest part, when you want to ask somebody, why did you do it? And he's gone now, so what are you supposed to do? You're asking a blank wall.